It's a good idea to keep your valuables safe, and your phone is no different. Let's go over how I slapped together a Librem 5 case. When it comes to 3D printing, multiple iterations are just about always needed. This is my first attempt to make a Librem 5 case. It's too small, not very thick, and the holes are in the wrong place. Clearly, I would need to make a few adjustments. In Blender, I ended up applying the Solidify modifier to add thickness to the case. This worked well, except that it added a triangle artifact. The solution was to apply the Solidify modifier, then select the top faces around the issue, and then scale the Z-axis to 0. More fine adjustments, and it was time to add a top lip. I was a bit worried about adding the lip without support material, but it seems to have printed okay without it. With the case designed and working on the Dogwood release, I expect this to be completely trivial to update for the Evergreen mass production run. As a bonus, the skills I learned in this project let me print a perfectly usable replacement toilet handle. For those looking to get into 3D printing with open source software, head on over to the 3D Printing Professor. He has a fantastic tutorial on how to set up Blender 2.8 for 3D printing.
Blender has a powerful set of tools for doing that.
Phonic, the audiobook player I've been building for mobile Linux, has seen a lot of bug fixes. To name a few, chapter skipping bugs have been resolved, and moving the audiobook's location no longer breaks the bookmarks.
Chapter 30, Chapter 40, Chapter 30,
I also added in a few new features. The chapter names are now displayed, and I've added in a basic sleep timer to auto-pause the player after so many minutes. The latest version is available on my Bitbucket as a .deb. Contributions as code or feedback are more than welcome. And since the .deb just contains Python, this should run on just about any Debian or Ubuntu-based system, including across architectures like ARM and x86. Head on over to hackers-game to find out more. Thanks for watching. Bye.